Back with the new topic, MCP. MCP is a kind of protocol same as TCP UDP. MCP's architecture is divided into two parts. One is data layer, one is transport layer. Data layer communicates via JSON RPC 2.0, where connection initialization, input taking, logging messages, logging errors, and that kind of things happen. While transport layer facilitates the actual communication, where standard IO streams, API calls, and SSE event happen. MCP is a stateful protocol. Now let's see what is JSON RPC 2.0. JSON RPC 2.0 is a method of communication where data is sent to server and data sent to client are sent in a specific format, where you identify you mention the RPC version here, its method, parameters, and ID. Now why is this ID tag? ID is tagged because RPC itself is a stateless protocol, while MCP is a stateful protocol, so that they can maintain, so that they can tag which response to be tagged against which like request. They maintain this IDs. And how to create your own MCP servers. Now there are SDKs that provides you tools with which you can create your own MCP servers. By following these steps, you can create, like, you can install the SDK. Once the SDK is installed, you can create your own MCP servers. Once installed, you can create the MCP methods like this: get alerts, get forecast. This is similar to this is similar as we created API routes to identify which API does what. Once this is done and the communication happens, then client sends the request to LLM analyzes and understand which method to use. After LLM analyzes, the client executes the given tools. And once the tool is executed, LLM formulates a natural language response and gives it to. Then how is it different from API? APIs always communicate via standard contracts. It has contracts from with Redis, it has contracts with protocol, it has with Postgres, it has contracts with GitHub. But MCPs always communicate via MCP protocol, and we can set up MCP protocol and MCP servers as I showed. Once it is done, then all of the tools can independently communicate with each other. I will be back soon with a video on how to create your own MCP server very soon. Stay tuned.